everyone, so after my introduction earlier, I'm gonna show to you what I do to remove my makeup. I actually am using my makeup remover wipes, so this is the one. Trust me, I tried a lot of products, but this is the one that I keep on using. Usually I get two to make sure that walang naiiwan. Because even my mascara, look at that, nakukuha niya. This Michael Todd Sonic Eraser Pro is way better to use than your bare hands because it gently massages your face while you're applying your moisturizer, and you're making sure that the moisturizer is going deeply through your skin. Thanks so much for watching. Just don't forget to like this video, and if you wish to see more videos, just don't forget to subscribe.